Now see the first question from exercise 5.4. If vector A equals to 2i plus 3j minus k, b bar equals to I minus 4j plus 2k, find a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar. That means we have to find first addition of that two vectors, then difference of that two vectors and their cross product. So first we find a bar plus b bar. So in solution you write given vector as it is, a bar equals to 2i plus 3j minus k, b bar equals to I minus 4j plus 2k. So we find here vector a bar plus vector b bar, that is vector a plus vector b equals to. Now directly add the coefficient of I with coefficient of I. So here coefficient of I is 1. So 2 plus 1 3. So we write here 3i. Then coefficient of j is 3, coefficient of j is minus 4. So here plus 3 minus 4 we get minus 1. So we write minus 1 into j. Then minus 1, coefficient of p is 1, minus 1 plus 2. So we write here plus 1k. So this is value of vector A plus vector B. Now find the value of vector A minus vector B. So we have to subtract vector B from vector A. So we change the signs. So we write minus plus minus. So 2 minus 1. So we get here I, 1i. Then 3 plus 4. So we get here 7j. Then minus 1 minus 2. So we get here minus 3k. Here we write 1k. Now we get the value of vector A plus B, vector A minus B. So we write here A bar plus B bar cross A bar minus B bar, A bar plus B bar cross A bar minus B bar is equals to. So first we write determinant, and in that determinant we write the, in first row, unit vector ijk. Then in second row we write the coefficient of ijk of first vector. Here first vector is a bar plus b bar. So we write the coefficient of ijk as 3 minus 1 1. 3 minus 1 1. Then coefficient of ijk of vector a bar minus b bar. Coefficients are 1 7 minus 3. 1 7 minus 3. So for calculating the determinant we write here plus minus plus, so I cap into minus 1 into minus 3. So minus minus plus 3 minus 7 into 1 is 7. Then plus minus minus j. So we write minus j cap in bracket. 3 into minus 3 which is minus 9 minus 1 into 1 is 1. Then plus k cap into 3 into 7, that is 21, minus, here again minus sign, so write minus minus plus, 1 into 1 is 1. So we write 3 minus 7 which is minus 4. So we write minus 4i. Minus 9 minus 1 which is minus 10, minus minus plus. So we write here plus 10j. 21 plus 1, that is 22. K gap. This is the value of a bar plus b bar cross a bar minus b bar. Now see second question. Find a unit vector perpendicular to the vectors I plus 2k and I plus j. So first we discuss the concept how to find a vector perpendicular to both the given vectors. So consider here vectors are a bar and b bar. When we have to find a vector which is perpendicular to both this vector a and vector b, so we find cross product of that two vectors, and the vector obtained after their cross multiplication is a vector which is perpendicular to both vector a and vector b. So first we consider this vector as vector a and this vector second as vector b. So we write in solution, let vector a equals to Here I is absent, so we write 0i plus 1j plus 2k. Second vector as vector b, so vector b equals to 1i plus 1j plus 0k. Now we have to find their cross product first. So we write here a bar cross b bar equals to, in determinant we write ijk in first row. In second row we write the coefficient of ijk of vector a. So we write here 0, 1, 2. Then coefficient of ijk of vector b 1, 1, 0. Now we have to find the value of this determinant. So we write here plus minus plus. So calculate the value of determinant. So determinant equals to I cap in bracket 1 into 0 is 0 minus 1 into 2 is 2. Then minus j cap into 0 into 0 is 0 minus 1 into 2 is 2. Then plus k cap in bracket we get 0 into 1 is 0 minus 1 into 1 is 1. So we write here 0 minus 2 is minus 2. So we write minus 2i. 0 minus 2 is minus 2, minus minus plus. So we write plus 2j. Then 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So we write here minus k. Now this is the value of vector a bar cross b bar. So we have to find unit vector perpendicular to the vector j cap plus 2k cap and I cap plus j cap. That means we have to find a vector which is along this vector a bar cross b bar. So we use the concept, if given vector is p bar, then its unit vector p cap equals to p bar upon magnitude of p bar. So we have to find unit vector along this vector a bar cross b bar. So we use the concept unit vector along vector a bar cross b bar equals to a bar cross b bar upon its magnitude. That means we have to find here magnitude of vector a bar cross b bar. So first we find magnitude of a bar cross b bar here. So magnitude is, coefficient of I is minus 2. So minus 2 square is plus 4. Coefficient of j is 2. So 2 square is plus 4. Coefficient of k is minus 1. So minus 1 square is plus 1. So we get here square root of 9, which is equal to 3. So we find unit vector along a bar cross b bar equals to, now substitute the value of a bar cross b bar as minus 2i plus 2j minus k upon 3. Now separate the base. So we get here minus 2 by 3i plus 2 by 3j minus 1 by 3k. Now this is unit vector along a bar cross b bar, and this a bar cross b bar is perpendicular to these two given vectors. That means this unit vector is also perpendicular to these two vectors. So in this way we calculate vector perpendicular to the given vectors. Unit vector perpendicular to the given vector. See question number 3rd. If a bar dot b bar equals to root 3 and a bar cross b bar equals to 2i plus j plus 2k, find the angle between vector a and vector b. So here both dot product as well as cross product is given. That means we have to use the definition of dot product and definition of cross product. See here, if a bar and b bar are two vectors, then their dot product is a bar dot b bar equals to magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar into cos theta, where theta is the acute angle between the given vectors. So we write here this as AB cos theta. A bar dot B bar is equal to AB cos theta. So we denote this as equation number 1. We have to use this concept. Then second is A bar cross B bar. So when A bar and B bar are two vectors, and if theta is the acute angle between them, then by the definition of cross product, A bar cross B bar equals to, we write here magnitude of A bar into magnitude of B bar into sin theta and unit vector n cap. So this unit vector n cap is the unit vector along this vector a bar cross b bar. Now here we have given that a bar cross b bar as well as a bar dot b bar. So we first find the magnitude of a bar cross b bar. So we write here, or we write this first as AB sin theta into n cap. So we denote this as equation number 1. That means we have to use the definition of dot product as well as definition of cross product. Now here a bar cross b bar equals to 2i plus j plus 2k. So first we find the magnitude of a bar cross b bar is equals to, that is we find the magnitude of this given vector, that is 2 square plus coefficient of j is 1, so 1 square plus 2 square, which is equals to 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, so we get here square root of 9, which is equals to 3. So in this way we find the magnitude of a bar cross b bar. Here a bar dot b bar is equals to root 3. Now see here, a bar cross b bar equals to magnitude of a, magnitude of b into sin theta into unit vector n cap. So we take modulus of it. So we write here modulus of a bar cross b bar equals to, we write modulus of right hand side of this equation number 2nd. So we write magnitude of AB sin theta into n cap. So A is already, we write the magnitude of vector A, so we write this AB sin theta as it is. Now magnitude of n cap, this n cap, that is unit vector, so its magnitude is 1, so we write here AB sin theta. Now we have the value calculated as 3 for this vector, modulus of vector a bar cross b bar, so we write here this value as 3. So we get here AB sin theta is equal to 3. Now this, denote this as equation number A. We also have a value a bar dot b bar, which is equal to AB cos theta. A bar dot b bar is given root 3. So by the definition of scalar product, we write here a bar dot b bar is equal to magnitude of A, that is A into b into cos theta, and substitute the value of a bar dot b bar as root 3. So we substitute value as root 3 equals to AB cos theta. Now we have to find the angle between vector A and B. So we denote this as equation number 2nd, or we rearrange it first. So we write AB cos theta is equal to root 3 and denote this as equation number B. Now divide equation A by equation B. So we divide A by B. Write AB sin theta is equal to 3 upon, here we write AB cos theta. AB cos theta, in RHS we write root 3. So here AB get cancelled. Sin theta upon cos theta, we write tan theta equals to, now this 3 upon root 3 can be written as root 3. We know that tan 60 is equals to root 3. That means theta is equals to 60 degree. So here we use both the definitions, scalar product as well as cross product. Now see question number 4. If a bar equals to 2i plus j minus 3k, b bar equals to I minus 2j plus k, find a vector of magnitude 5 perpendicular to both a bar and b bar. So we have to find here a vector of magnitude 5 which is perpendicular to both a bar and b bar. So we know the concept, if vectors are a bar and b bar, then the vector perpendicular to both this vector and b bar is their cross product. Now here, instead of finding a vector, unit vector perpendicular to this vector a bar and b bar, question is asked as find a vector of magnitude 5 perpendicular to both a bar and b bar. That means we have to find first unit vector which is perpendicular to this vector a bar and b bar, that is unit vector along this vector a bar cross b bar, that is we write here a bar cross b bar upon magnitude of a bar cross b bar. This we have to find first. That means we have to find unit vector first, then we have to find a vector of magnitude 5. So after multiplying by 5, we get here a vector of magnitude 5 which is perpendicular to both a bar and b bar. So first we have to calculate a bar cross b bar, then we have to find its magnitude, then by using the definition of unit vector we calculate unit vector, then we find a vector of magnitude 5. So see one by one. So we first find a bar cross b bar. A bar cross b bar equals to, in first row we write ijk, in second row we write the coefficient of ijk of vector A. So we write here 2, 1, minus 3, then vector B I minus 2j plus k. So we write coefficient as 1, minus 2, 1. Now solve this determinant. So here I cap in bracket 1 into 1 is 1 minus this minus sign, this minus sign, this minus sign, that means 3 times minus sign. So we write minus here 2 into 3, 6. Then we have to write minus j cap into 2 into 1 is 2 minus this minus sign, and multiplying this we get here minus 2, we write minus plus 3 into 1 is 3, then plus k cap in bracket 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 minus 1 into 1 is 1. So calculate this. 1 minus 6 we get minus 5. So we write here minus 5y. 2 plus 3 is 5. So we write here minus sign as it is. So we write minus 5j. Then minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. So we write here minus 5k. So this is value of a bar cross b bar. Now we have to find magnitude of this a bar cross b bar. So we find magnitude of a bar cross b bar is equals to, which we get minus 5 square is 25, minus 5 square is 25, minus 5 square is 25. That means here we get 3 times 25, square root of 25 is 5, square root of 3 we cannot calculate. So we write 5 root 3 as magnitude of a bar cross b bar. Therefore, unit vector perpendicular to both a bar and b bar as, therefore unit vector perpendicular to both a bar and b bar is a bar cross b bar upon magnitude of a bar cross b bar. We calculate a bar cross b bar as minus 5y minus 5j minus 5k upon magnitude of a bar cross b bar is 5 root 3. Now we know that direction of that unit vector either in a bar cross b bar or its opposite. So we write here plus or minus. Now take minus 5 common or 5 common, we get here plus or minus 5 in bracket minus I minus j minus k upon 5 root 3. So 5 get cancelled, we write plus or minus I minus j minus k upon root 3. Now this is unit vector which is perpendicular to both a bar and b bar. Now we have to find a vector of magnitude 5. So we multiply here by 5. So we write here therefore a vector of magnitude 5 which is perpendicular 5 perpendicular to both A bar and B bar is plus or minus 5 into minus I minus j minus k upon root 3, or you can write plus or minus 5 by root 3 minus I minus j minus k. So in this way we can find a vector of magnitude 5 perpendicular to both A bar and B bar.